All good? What's on the menu tonight?
Hot dogs, marshmallow,
Got a bit of a roast on the hot dog roast going on here.
4 minutes to 11.
4 minutes to 11. Can't really see John back there, it's pretty dark, but I don't know if you can hear in the back, we got some water going on. We're thinking it's gonna be a good night's sleep tonight. This is the new spot to camp at Crooked Creek. We will not be disclosing. Oh crap! No. I gotta go, I just dropped my sausage in the fire. I dropped my sausage in the fire. And just when we thought there was no hope, I stabbed it with a stick, ran to the river, cleaned the sausage off in the river, all the ashes and whatnot, and I am now burning the germs off it.
Time to get up, Carl. Come on, rise and shine.
What time is it?
I don't know. Like 9 o'clock. You coconut up there.
Got some coffee brewing. So we're gonna have some coffee and Mrs. Dunster for breakfast. Nothing quite like the open trail. There, I'll get a large fish and chip. The last video, I promise. This is the reason we came. Well, not really, but it's a highlight of it.